How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you did not receive your WhatsApp verification code, then first things first, go ahead and check your phone number and make sure that you have entered the correct country code and correct phone number. Make sure not to add in extra zeros or special characters. Additionally, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection and ensure that you have a strong cellular signal. And if you are using Wi-Fi only, make sure that your SIM card can still receive SMS, messages, or phone calls. You can then go ahead and wait for a few minutes as sometimes verification code can be delayed. So simply wait a few minutes before requesting another code. And if that does not help you in getting the message too, then you can simply open WhatsApp and then tap on the resend SMS option when the option becomes available. And if SMS does not work, you can also choose for the call me option if available to receive the code by automated phone call. Additionally, you can simply try to restart your iPhone as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then check for SMS blocking and make sure that your phone is not blocking messages from unknown or short code numbers. And if that does not help you in fixing your issue too, then you can simply enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then toggle it off again and then reconnect to your mobile network, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the WhatsApp application. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply contact your mobile carrier and make sure that your SIM is active and SMS services are working and short code or international messages are not blocked. Also, make sure to avoid repeated requests as WhatsApp might block you for doing so. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp verification code not received.